Shattered bones? Lost wages? The aftermath of an accident can feel overwhelming, leaving you feeling vulnerable and unsure where to turn. You might feel powerless against big insurance companies, but I want you to know that you're not. This guide is for anyone who has been injured and feels lost, especially if you're considering handling your claim yourself. We understand the financial pressures and the desire to navigate this challenging process independently. We're here to help. We'll break down the complex world of personal injury claims into clear, actionable steps, empowering you with knowledge. By the end, you'll have the confidence to fight for the compensation you deserve, without immediately hiring a lawyer. This is about taking control of your future. Your journey to justice begins immediately after the accident. Even amidst the shock and confusion, these initial steps are absolutely crucial for building a strong foundation for your claim. They can make all the difference. First, ensure the scene is safe for everyone involved, prioritizing your safety and that of others. If possible, move to a secure location away from traffic or further danger. Your well-being is paramount. Every detail matters, so start documenting everything right away, no matter how small it seems. This meticulous record-keeping will be invaluable later on. Think of yourself as a detective gathering clues. Take numerous photos from different angles, capturing the overall scene, vehicle damage, road conditions, and any visible injuries. Use your phone to document everything before anything is moved or cleaned up. Record short videos if possible, capturing the broader scene and any relevant details like traffic flow or environmental factors. A brief video can sometimes convey more information than a still image. Gather contact information from any witnesses and ask for their immediate observations while memories are fresh. Their unbiased accounts can provide powerful corroborating evidence for your claim. Beyond the immediate pain, accidents bring financial burdens that you shouldn't have to bear alone. Understanding the types of damages you can claim is essential for seeking full compensation. If your injuries prevent you from working, you can claim lost wages, including both past and future income. Keep detailed records of your work absences and any reduction in earning capacity. And then there's the less tangible but very real impact of pain and suffering, which includes emotional distress and loss of enjoyment of life. These non-economic damages are a significant part of your claim. Understanding a few key legal terms will empower you to speak confidently about your situation. These aren't just jargon, they are fundamental concepts that define your rights. Negligence refers to a party's failure to exercise reasonable care, leading to harm to another. Proving negligence is often the cornerstone of a personal injury claim. Liability refers to who is legally responsible for the accident and, therefore, for your damages. Identifying all liable parties is crucial for maximizing your potential recovery. Crucially, every state has a strict deadline for filing a personal injury claim, known as the statute of limitations. Missing this deadline can permanently bar your right to compensation. It's vital to identify all potentially responsible parties, not just the most obvious one. This could include drivers, vehicle owners, employers, or even government entities. Researching applicable insurance policies is a critical step in understanding the available coverage. This includes your own policy, the at-fault parties policy, and any umbrella policies. Seeking immediate medical attention is paramount, not just for your health but also for documenting your injuries. Delaying treatment can weaken your claim. Proper injury documentation involves keeping a detailed log of all medical appointments, treatments, medications, and how your injuries impact your daily life. This creates a clear record of your recovery journey. Now that you've laid the groundwork, it's time to articulate your case clearly and persuasively. The demand letter is your formal presentation of your claim to the insurance company. Writing a compelling demand letter is an art, but it's an art you can master with the right guidance. This letter is your opportunity to tell your story and present your case. Begin by clearly outlining your injuries and the precise details of the accident. Be factual, concise, and chronological, painting a clear picture of what happened. Detail all suffered damages, both economic and non-economic, providing specific figures where possible. This includes medical bills, lost wages, and a reasoned amount for pain and suffering. Your presentation should be persuasive and professional, avoiding emotional language while clearly conveying the impact of the accident. Maintain a respectful yet firm tone. Integrate all the evidence you've collected to support your claims, referencing photos, videos, witness statements, and medical records. This evidence strengthens your position significantly. When communicating with adjusters, remember the do's and don'ts. Do be polite and professional. Don't admit fault or give recorded statements without careful consideration. Protecting your rights and avoiding pitfalls during communication is essential. Be cautious about what you say, as anything can be used against you. Stick to the facts. Once your demand letter is submitted, the negotiation phase begins. This is where your preparation truly pays off, allowing you to engage confidently with the insurance company. Equipping yourself with effective negotiation strategies is key to securing a fair settlement. Understand that the first offer is rarely the best offer. Be prepared to counter lowball offers and stand your ground, armed with your evidence and understanding of your damages. Don't be afraid to say no if the offer is inadequate. Maintaining a clear log of all communication and offers is absolutely vital. This detailed record keeping protects you and provides a clear timeline of interactions. If direct negotiation stalls, exploring alternative dispute resolution options like mediation can be beneficial. A neutral third party can help facilitate a settlement. Considering legal action is a serious step, and knowing when and why professional legal help might be necessary is crucial. Sometimes, a lawyer's involvement is the only way to achieve justice. What happens if your claim is denied outright, or the insurance company refuses to budge on their lowball offer? Don't despair. Your options don't end there. We'll explore what steps you can take if negotiation fails, including the possibility of filing a lawsuit and navigating the court system. Your fight for justice can continue. If this guide has empowered you, please like this video and share it with anyone who might benefit. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides on personal injury claims and legal empowerment. Your comments and questions help us create content that truly serves your needs.